Morning student, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhadeshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 9th maths. Okay, in this chapter we have learned, our chapter is polynomial and we have revised this chapter. Okay, in this chapter we have learned what is polynomial. Okay, an algebraic expression of the form an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 an minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 and plus a0 is called a polynomial, where an minus 1 an minus 2 a0 is a real number. Okay, and x is a variable. Okay, and what is the degree of this polynomial? What do you mean by degree? Means if we talk about highest degree of the polynomial, then we can say that highest degree, if let's take any example. Okay, if we take any example, x to the power 7 plus 2 x to the power 5 plus 4 x cube plus 5, what is the degree of these polynomials? So we can say that degree of this polynomial is 7. Okay, means what is the highest degree of the polynomial? Okay, understand. Now what do you mean by term? We can I will told you what is term. If we talk about term, then term is defined if the two terms with uh, differ with the sign of plus and minus. If there is plus or minus sign, then we can say that it's a terms. Okay, here how many terms are there? X to the power 7 is one term, 2x to the power 5 is another term, 4x cube is another term, and 5 is a term. Okay, so here there is only four term are there. Okay, understand. Now if we talk about constant term, what is constant term? Constant means the number is doesn't change, it's called constant. Okay, understand. And what do you mean by coefficient of any number? What is coefficient? मीन्स ए वेरिएबल्स के साथ आगे जो नंबर होता है डेट इज कॉल्ड कोफिशिएंट. अगर मैं इस टाइप से लिखती हूँ 2x की पावर 5, तो व्हाट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x टू द पावर 5? सो यू कैन से दैट 2 इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x टू द पावर 5. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, नाउ so if we talk about polynomial, in a polynomial the exponent of the variable of each term must be a whole number. Understand? And some particular polynomial in one variable. If we talk about polynomial in one variable, then there is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means there is highest degree is 1. Okay, that is called linear polynomial. Okay, if highest degree is 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. Highest degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial, and if highest degree is 4, that is called biquadratic polynomial. Understand? Okay, now what is monomial? If there is only one term, then we can say that it's a monomial. There is two terms, then we can say that it's binomial. Understand? If there is three terms, then we can say that it's a trinomial. Okay, and if there is a more than three terms, then we can say that is a multinomial. Understand? Or polynomial. Understand? So we can say this is a multinomial or polynomial. Understand? How we find the value of this polynomial? If px any polynomial, then we can say that if px any polynomial, then अगर मैं x इज इक्वल टू अल्फ़ा, अल्फ़ा मीन्स कोई भी नंबर 1 2 3 4 लेती हूँ, तो मैं इस पर इस पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकती हूँ. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सपोज पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5. एक एग्जाम्पल लेकर देखते हैं. पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3x प्लस 5. Okay, be a linear polynomial because highest degree of this polynomial is 1. Okay, then if we want to put x is equal to 2, so what is the value of p2? 3 into 2 plus 5, that is 6 plus 5, 11. Okay, if we want to put x is equal to 0, so what is the value of p0? So 3 into 0, 0 plus 5, your answer is 5. Understand? This type you have to find value of the polynomial. Understand? Now if we talk about zeros of the polynomial, a real number alpha is zero of the polynomial px if and only if p alpha is equal to 0. Means x की ऐसी वैल्यू जिस पर पूरा की पूरा पोलिनोमियल हमारा ज़ीरो हो जाए. ओके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ज़ीरो ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल. ओके, सपोज टेक एनी एग्जांपल, पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 2. ओके, सो if you to take p is equal to 2, so it will 2 plus 2, so it will 4, so it's not a zero of this polynomial. If we take p is equal to minus 2, so it's minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. Okay, so we can say that minus 2 is a zero of the polynomial x plus 2. Understand? Okay, now this type, note that a polynomial may have more than one zero. ओके, मीन्स उसके जो पोलिनोमियल है उसका 1 से ज़्यादा ज़ीरोज़ भी हो सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, सो लेट्स टेक वन अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स माइनस 3. ओके, सो टेक p1, सो हियर 2 into 1 square plus 1 minus 3. So here it is 2 plus 1 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay, and one more example, one more zero of this equation is if we take p 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2. So what is 2 into minus 3 by 2 का square plus minus 3 by 2 minus 3. Okay, so what is the answer? So it is 2 into minus 3 by 2 का square means 9 by 4. Okay, plus minus 3 by 2 minus 3. Okay, solve it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 9 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3. सो अगर एलसीएम निकालेंगे तो हमारा आएगा 9 माइनस 3 माइनस 6. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दैट 9 माइनस 9 अपॉन 2, डेट इज़ 0 अपॉन 2. योर आंसर इज 0. सो zeros of this polynomial is 1 and minus 3 by 2. So note that a polynomial may have more than one zero. Okay, understand? Rule to find zero of a polynomial. If you want to find zero of the polynomial, so what is the rule you have to follow? Suppose put px is equal to 0 and solve it for x. आपको क्या करना है, पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0 रख देना है. मीन्स जो भी पोलिनोमियल है आपको दिया हुआ है पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस 4 या एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स माइनस 3, जो भी हमने एग्जांपल लिया था, आपको उसको क्या कर देना है, इक्वल टू 0 रख देना है. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. ओके, सपोज लेट्स टेक इफ द पोलिनोमियल इज 7x प्लस 3. सो इट्स गिवन पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7x प्लस 3. So what you have to do, px is equal to 0 means 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 7x is equal to, we have transposed 3 to other side, so it become minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3 by 7 is your 0 of this polynomial. Understand? Okay, if the polynomial is linear, then it having only one zero. Okay, understand? A polynomial may not have real zero. Some polynomial may not have a real zero. That means if the polynomial is this type, x square plus 2x plus 7, हमने कल भी एग्जाम्पल लिया था. Okay, so they have not a real zero. Okay, the number of real zero of a polynomial may be less than the degree of the polynomial. Always remember, whatever the degree of the polynomial, the number of zero is always less than or equal to. Okay, understand? Number of zero of a polynomial. By convention, every real number is taken as a zero of the zero polynomial. Thus, zero polynomial has infinitely many zeros. अगर ज़ीरो पोलिनोमियल है तो वो इन्फाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशन होंगे उसके. बट अ नॉन ज़ीरो कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल हैज़ नो ज़ीरोस. अगर कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल है तो उसका कोई भी ज़ीरो नहीं होगा. एवरी लीनियर पोलिनोमियल हैज़ वन एंड ओनली वन ज़ीरो. बट अगर लीनियर है तो उसका वन ही ज़ीरो होगा. पर अगर क्वाड्रेटिक है तो उसके टू ज़ीरो होंगे बिकॉज द हाइएस्ट डिग्री ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल इज़ टू. ओके, अ क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल कैन हैव एट मोस्ट थ्री ज़ीरोस. क्यूबिक पोलिनोमियल के थ्री ज़ीरोस होते हैं. अ पोलिनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री n इज़ ग्रेटर देन वन कैन हैव एट मोस्ट n ज़ीरो. Understand? Okay. Now, if we talk about and what about factor theorem? The factor theorem say that if px is a polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and alpha is a real number, then x minus alpha is a factor of px if p alpha is equal to 0. देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहे हैं, अगर पी एक्स इज़ अ पोलिनोमियल, अगर पी एक्स कोई पोलिनोमियल है ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू वन वाला एंड अल्फ़ा इज़ अ रियल नंबर और अल्फ़ा कोई रियल नंबर है, देन अल्फ़ा एक्स माइनस अल्फ़ा क्या होगा, फैक्टर होगा पी अल्फ़ा का, पी एक्स का, में व्हेन पी अल्फ़ा इज़ इक्वल टू ज़ीरो. ओके, और वहाँ क्या बोला, अगर एक्स माइनस अल्फ़ा अगर फैक्टर है तो पी अल्फ़ा क्या होगा, उसका रिमाइंडर होगा. Understand? So both the theorems is same, but you have to know. Okay, understand? Now conversely, x minus alpha is a factor of px, then remainder is equal to 0. Okay, understand? Now if you want to find factorization, then we have to know some identity, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. We know that because it's our identity, we know it from 7th standard. Okay, now x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. One more identity are there, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. One more is there, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Understand? Now if we talk about x square, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, and the last two are x plus y whole cube and x minus y whole cube is equal to. Okay, so if we want to find, and there are some more identities, means x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so how can you use these identities to solve the questions? Let's see some examples. If x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x plus 2 and x plus 3 for all x, then the value of k is. So, if this is the factor of x square plus kx plus 6, so x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3 is true for this. Okay, so we have to put, what we have to put, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 whole square plus k into minus 2 plus 6. So that is 4 plus, sorry, minus 2k plus 6. So it is 4 plus minus 2k is equal to 10. So k is equal to 10 upon 2 with minus sign. So our answer is minus 5. Okay, and if we take minus 3, then we also get a answer. Okay, understand? So our answer is 5. Okay, So this type we have to find the question answer. Write the correct answer in each of the following. Which of the following is a polynomial? If we want to which of the following is polynomial, then see it x square upon 2 minus 2 upon x square, which are not a polynomial. So see here, root 2x minus 1, it's also a polynomial. X minus 1 upon x plus 1 is a polynomial. But see, x square plus 3x की power 3/2 upon root x. See here, in denominator there is root x, so it is not a polynomial. Understand? Root 2 is a polynomial of degree. If we talk about root 2 is a polynomial of degree, so we can say that because root 2 we can write it root 2 x to the power 0, so its degree is 0. Understand? Degree of polynomial 4x to the power 4, 0x to the power 3, 0x to the power 5, 5x plus 7 is, so degree of this polynomial is highest degree is 4, because here 0 into x to the power 5 तो है, but 0 into x to the power 5 is 0. Okay, so you can write highest degree is 4. Understand? Degree of 0 polynomial, degree of the 0 polynomial is any natural number. Okay, 0 polynomial की डिग्री कोई भी नेचुरल नंबर हो सकता है. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Okay, degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Now if we talk about px is equal to x square plus minus 2 root 2x plus 1. So p 2 root 2 is equal to, if we talk about p root 2 root 2, then what we do, x के प्लेस पर आपको 2 root 2 रखना है. Okay, so your answer is, let's take so 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, x की वैल्यू रख रही हूँ मैं. ओके, सो इट्स 4 into 2 माइनस इट्स 4 into 2 अगेन प्लस 1, सो इट्स 8 minus 8 plus 1, सो 8 से 8 कट जाएगा, तो हमारा वैल्यू क्या आएगा बेटा? आवर वैल्यू इज़ 1, सो बी इज़ आवर राइट आंसर. ओके, understand? So this type you have to find the value of, and in exam read carefully the questions and do all the questions. Okay, the value of a polynomial this when x is equal to minus 1. So what you can do, put minus 1 in the place of x. Okay, understand? If px is equal to x plus 3, then px plus p minus x is equal to, see here px is equal to x plus 3 is given. If you take x is equal to x plus 3 is equal to 0, so what is the value of x? x की वैल्यू हो गई हमारे पास minus 3. Okay, understand? So if we put px means x plus 3, okay, and minus x प्लस 3, सो माइनस से माइनस कट जाएगा, इट्स अवर 6. ओके, सो 6 इज़ अवर आंसर. ओके, और आप क्या कर सकते हो, पी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3 है हमारे पास में, और पी एक्स की वैल्यू माइनस 3 है, बट माइनस माइनस 3 है हमारे पास यहाँ पर. सो ओके, सो इट बिकम your answer becomes 6. Okay, 0 of the 0 polynomial is, what is the 0 of the 0 polynomial? That is any 0 of 0 polynomial is any real number. Okay, 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 5 is always, if you want to find 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, so 2x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay, so your answer is B. Okay, this type you have to solve all the questions. Okay, this type of question is giving in exam. Okay, so practice it carefully. Okay, have a good day.